Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Maureen. I do lifestyle content and also I do natural hair videos with a little bit of beauty. So if that is the kind of content that you love, please do consider subscribing and join the family.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone.
So that evening I decided, you know what, I'm going to do some exercise since I think I'm fully healed. But why? That was the wrong move. I'm a serious mother and it's almost like 4 months since I gave birth, and that was the wrong move. So that evening I went to my friend's place. She's teaching me how to cook chapati. So like once in a week we cook chapatis because my chapatis are not that good. So, and also I went to Best Lady and bought this sedoso scrub because I want to start my skincare routine. Yeah, it is always advisable to start a skincare with either a scrubber or a sunscreen.
That I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la la la.
Recently, as I was going through my analytic, I realized I have a lot of audience from the United States, and I've been using it's not a lot of Swahili. I've been using Swahili on my vlogs, but mostly I'm glad I've been using English. So if I find myself doing Swahili on my vlog, I'm going to remember to put subtitles because that was not good. That's not good because having a lot of audience from the United States is a good thing actually. So yeah, that's what I came here to tell you guys. Let's continue cleaning, and I hope if you're lazing out, please wake up and start doing your cleaning.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It's been long guys since I did my thorough cleaning in my bathroom. I've been cleaning it daily, but small parts. So today I did a thorough cleaning and I feel so good about it. It smells so good. It feels so good to have a clean bathroom. And also I'm going to clean my fridge, but I'm not going to clean my freezer because the githeri that I'm having and the sausages are stuck on that freezer. And of course that freezer is not that dirty. Yeah, the down part is the one that is dirty, and I'm going to thorough clean it, yeah, and arrange it.
You are so heartless. it's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerously close and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care. 'Cause I want everything that I've been running from. Every time I fall in it deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, no, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, don't leave me alone.
After that, since I did the exercise and my wound is itching, I can't wash the uniform that I do on weekends because my laundry lady come on Thursday, so on weekend I wash the uniform, so I can't today. Let me take them to the laundry, and that will be the end of the video. Thank you for watching up to here.